8 o'clock in the morning and we are walking to McDonald's for a McDonald's breakfast so that Luz doesn't have to cook for us today. Noel, the driver that took us to Baguio, is coming to pick us up at 9 o'clock and we are going to go on a day trip to Tagaytay, which is where the Taal Volcano is. Quite looking forward to it.
Sorry?
It's already quite hot out here. I'm gonna start sweating in a minute. Just had a shower. Hate that. I always find it quite interesting to visit other countries' McDonald's because they have like a local breakfast in there sometimes. So I'm wondering if they'll have beef tapa in there. Maybe I should try it. I was right, they do actually have Filipino breakfast. Longanisa and a cheesy egg de sal and a ham de sal, which I will try. Burst that coffee open, Sash. And it's time for a ham de sal with egg. Let's see what this looks like. Interesting. It's okay. It's a bit too sweet. That's why I've got another one. Just got back up. Back up. It's hot out here, Sash.
Yeah.
Very hot. Very satisfied with my breakfast. So that was 2 sausage egg McMuffin meals for 228 pesos.
With coffee.
With coffees. Very good value. Cheaper than the UK, definitely. Noel has arrived. I was looking up how much it costs to rent your own car here and drive around, and it was about 4,500 pesos for a small car, and if you wanted somebody to drive for you, like an additional 800 pesos, but we only pay 3,500 for this massive van and the driver the whole day. So when I first heard it, I thought it was a bit pricey, but actually it's very cheap. It's a pretty sweet van as well. Ready for Tagaytay, Sash?
Yep. The gate's been open, we can go in.
Let's go. We're off.
Yep.
First glimpse of the Taal Volcano, there you go.
I like this.
This is Taal Volcano. We have a perfect cone. It is located in Bicol. Maybe you can see in the internet. It's perfect.
Okay, we have arrived in Tagaytay from Manila. We are at a place called People's Park in the Sky. And it's a viewpoint, I believe. The drive here was really nice. It's really green and there's lots of pineapple trees and palm trees. So it's really pretty and it looks like a really nice area. It's a really lovely looking sky today as well. Very beautiful. We're just waiting for Dad and Luz. Luz is putting on her trainers. Dad's being super moany today. I think he got out of bed on the wrong side. I think you have to pay an entrance fee, so we're just going over to see how much it is.
Oh, wait.
Wait for Dad to come first.
Yeah, in case he moans.
Okay, here we go. Okay? We're just getting the tickets. And then we're going to get a jeep up to the hill, up to the top of the hill. Okay, Dad. In you get. We're getting a jeepney up to the top of the hill.
The jeepney won't start. This is a good beginning. We have to change jeepneys because this one won't start. This one's silver though, it's pretty cool. Everyone inside.
Jeepney!
When a jeepney is your business and it doesn't start, that's not good.
is the view from People's Park in the sky. It's pretty lovely. Can't actually see the volcano from here, but this is the view, still pretty nice. Apparently this park was someone's mansion that never got finished, so it's all abandoned and it's now just a viewpoint.
Walking into the old abandoned house.
So this mansion belonged to Marcos, who was a Philippine ruler back in the 70s and 80s, and this was his residence, but it has just been left to ruin now. But what a view he had! Wow, that is quite amazing. Clouds are moving really fast today.
I always find it funny how in Asian countries they can turn an abandoned building, which is clearly got no safety regulations, into a tourist attraction, and it's all good. I mean, I actually quite like the fact that it's up to you to look after your own safety. I have asked Sacha to take some pictures of me in this urban environment because I think it looks more manly, so I'm going to do some posing. You ready, Sash? Good?
Yeah. There's quite a lot of cats around up here as well.
Wait, look at me. I want to take your picture. Oh, I'm not interested.
He doesn't want his picture taken. This one looks like a right grumpy cat.
Quite pleased with this viewing area. It is rather beautiful. Doesn't look real, does it, Sash? Beautiful. Found a clean viewpoint of the volcano, the Taal Volcano from here. I'll show you. Right. So that right there is one of the world's most active volcanoes, apparently. You can take a boat over there for 1,500 pesos, and there's a hike up to the crater which takes 45 minutes, and apparently you can still see some parts of it spewing out steam because it's still active in places. Pretty cool. We're not going to do it today though, because we haven't got much time here. So instead we decided to admire it from above. Admiring it from above, Sash?
Yeah, it's nice.
It is nice up here, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, I think we've seen the views from here. We're going to go on to the next viewpoint, which apparently has a clearer view of the volcano that Dad's been to before. It's just one final viewpoint here that we've just seen, with a big Jesus sculpture and a cross up in the sky, and again another nice view from up here. Luz is checking out the fruits before we get back in the van to the next viewpoint. We are now at the picnic grove, which is 50 pesos per person entry, and I believe there's lots of like huts and benches and picnic areas that you can rent for different prices depending on what you rent. It's a bit busier here than the one we were just at. There's quite a few like touristy souvenir shops and horseback riding and pictures with a snake and that kind of thing. But there is a better view of the volcano. We're trying to find a good view of the volcano, but it's quite obstructed and haven't managed to see it properly yet. So far the first view was better.
Yeah.
Okay, found it.
Ice cream, ma'am. Ice cream.
It's nice.
So you have to walk down past all the picnic huts to see the view.
I think you just bring your own.
Just enjoying the viewpoint.
If you want to take your time, then you want to do the boat thing. So you take the actual quite a while to get to wherever the boat's going.
Liz was saying this place gets very busy on a weekend. It's Monday today, and it's only a couple of people here, but apparently it's slammed. Very popular place with people coming down from Manila for a day trip. So avoid coming to Tagaytay on the weekend. Rob has been telling us about his favourite cafe called Bag of Beans. Meant to have some good coffee, so we're going to head there now, have some lunch. Sacha's hair is going up. She's tried keeping it down.
To keep it down, but it's just too hot.
Good effort.
Bye bye hair.
May disgrasya pa.
Saan?
Ayan o. Motor.
Yeah.
Sumunod na kayo ha.
Okay.
Right outside the Bag of
Kumain sa
Beans.
akin?
Give me other side.
Da-da-da!
How welcoming this is.
We are entering the Bag of Beans. Smells like coffee. Very exciting. Coffee is always a good idea. I like this saying a lot. What a lovely looking place. Looks like it's about to rain, so we've chosen an indoor little seating area. Very luxurious. If you've been watching our videos for any amount of time, you'll know that this is the kind of place we seek out. Nice little independent establishment with good looking menu, not too expensive. Yeah, I'm happy. I mean, again, by Western standards, this would be considered not bad at all, price-wise. Welcome to the Bag O' Beans.
Nice.
It's very nice.
Jay went for a Caesar salad with a steak and gravy pie.
Very good.
Bag of Beans is known for its English pies. Isn't that right, Dad?
Absolutely, yeah. You've got to have a pie.
So I went for soup of the day, which was broccoli, and a shepherd's pie. Good old shepherd's pie. And there is bread galore on the table as well. Dad got the
Roast
good
beef.
old British
mash.
roast beef.
And mash. What else would you have with roast
Looks
beef?
good. What did you go for, Luz?
Seafood combo.
Seafood combo. Nice. Lunch was very delicious. There were clean plates all round. We're just sitting here relaxing. The lovely breeze and there's some nice music playing. And we are going to order a coffee now because we fancy one. I think I'll get a cappuccino. Luz bought us some presents in the little shop. So a bag of cookies and some breadsticks. Garlic breadsticks, so my dad is hands off of these.
Biscotti sash. Chocolate almond biscottis. Oh my goodness. Everything looks very well made, very rustic. I'm quite impressed. What's that? Lots of good things.
Cappuccino.
It's okay.
It's like drinking pure chocolate.
Oh, that sounds nice. That's just how I like it.
Smells good.
I never
Oh no, I
tasted
think you're gonna like it.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. No, don't give it to me. No, I don't want to try it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I want it.
I know where we're coming tomorrow for 11.
Yeah. I better not be disappointed with my cappuccino.
Yeah. We made the right choice, huh?
Dad and Luz had a rather amazing hot chocolate that me and Jay are very jealous of. We got cappuccinos, but They're good cappuccinos, but they were no hot chocolate.
No
They were
matcha.
very good.
Right, now we are off to find our hotel and check in and enjoy our accommodation. Very nice restaurant. Buy a bag of beans. It's alright.
It's very close to the NPI. Very clever.
We found it. Hotel Monticello. Let's see what it's like. Let's check in. Bit of a nightmare to find, but I'm looking forward to sleeping in a hotel bed. Sacha is just checking us in at the desk. It's a nice smell in here. Our bags are being wheeled in. We're all checked in. Sacha's got the keys. So it's a pretty big hotel, but I think we are the only customers. It only opened in April this year. I can't see anybody else around. Very nice. It's almost as big as our flat, Sash. So a room like this would cost, or did cost, 3,600 pesos per night. So that's around £50 a night. It's a lot better quality than when we stayed in last time. Brand new, 30 square meters, queen bed, TV, drawer space, wardrobe,
It's very nice.
desks, lamps, chair, and view, I believe. Let's see what's out the window. So, not a view, but not much of a view, but still. That is what 3,600 pesos a night gets you in Tagaytay. So it's not expensive by Western standards, but in comparison to Thailand, I think you could probably get a place like this for maybe £10 a night cheaper. Yeah, I'm quite pleased.
Nice. Spacious. Big shower.
Toilet. Alright, should we get a welcome drink?
Yes.
Looks like the rest of the group has already come out to check out where the pool is. Rob is very excited about going for a swim. Being very vocal about it. Temperature controlled pool. So even now is a good time to get in.
We're all friends. This is my daughter. Hazy. So, and her husband. So,
The sun is still blazing. So we are gonna hit the pool. It's really nice. They've got these little deck chairs that are like submerged in the water. Quite cool. Clouds are still moving really fast up there. Look at that. That is epic, Sash. It's like a movie poster. Do a movie poster pose. Yeah, something like that. Rob has arrived with towels. We are no longer towelless. We're trying to work out where the shallow and deep end are. Rob's about to get in, but he's a bit afraid. Sacha, you gonna brave getting in? Go on then.
Yeah.
She's in.
Nice. You're still not in?
I'll come in there.
You're still worrying about the deep end. Oh, there you go.
Long length.
Yeah.
It's 50 metres, it said.
50? Wow. Rob's powering out. He's only been there for like 2 minutes. Just took some pictures of Sash on the big camera. And now it's my turn to get into the pool.
Okay, that was a fun swim. We are finished now. The sun's gone in a bit and it is cooled off.
Yeah, really cold.
We are going to end the vlog here because we're just going to go out for dinner now. And that's it.
Hope you've enjoyed today. Tagaytay was interesting. Like seeing the volcano. Had a nice time.
Yeah. If you did, then you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and we will see you tomorrow.
Guest appearance.
Thumbs up. See you.
T-shirt. Phone. Key.
Yeah.
Bye.